Yeah. Sometimes when you're so addicted to self, you don't realize that you're hurting other people, especially the people you care the most about.
Girl, I love ya, cross my heart and hope, live to make you smile. Cause I don't deserve so for all the times you held me down. Listen to me now. I love you, girl.
You know I had to do a love song and let the whole world know about my love Jones. Love sick's what I told the doctor. We could be more like Show Baraka, but we are more, and we been that. When I said I do, I meant that. It's a trip that you let me lead you, cause I'm a mess and sometimes I need you. And I need you to understand
that I'm dying every day trying to be a better man.
And I put that on my mama. I love the way you play your part through my drama. The long nights, long flights, trips out of town. You keep my head up when it was hanging down, down. Like 4 flats on a lack. I let you down and you still keep coming back.
Cross my heart and hope, live to make you smile. Cause I don't deserve so for all the times you held me down. Listen to me now. I love you, girl. 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 I love you, girl.
Out here trying to save the world, can't forget about my baby girl. And baby girl, you're so tight, it's true to me. Sometimes I wonder why you fool with me, cause foolishly I'm prone to hurt you. Call you grace cause I don't deserve you. I recall cold nights, no lights, low dough nights. You ain't fuss, you was there through the whole night, saying it's alright, so faithful. Far as beef, yeah, we done had a plate full, but we ate it up, and we made it up. Cause our view of the Lord wasn't great enough. No divorce cause what God put together, we will not tear apart. We gon' fight, never let up. And when I get up, I'm back down on my knees. Thank God my ribs the best part of me.
Cross my heart and hope, live to make you smile. Cause I don't deserve so for all the times you held me down. Listen to me now. I love you, girl. 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 I love you, girl.
All the fellas out there in the world, if your lady love God and you got a good girl, stay with her, pray with her, take her on a date. Tell her you appreciate
how she love me, how she cares, and how she's every woman everywhere. And baby, I'm sorry for all the days I let you down, but I got something to say.